And welcome back. We continue with the news that Sports Minister Olivia Grange says the impending major renovation work to be done on the National Stadium is set to be expedited.
Originally, we had planned for the stadium redevelopment to go over a three-year period. But now we've been able to tighten that. We're looking at about 2.5 years or less. So as we go along, we will be able to determine but the idea is to get it done as quickly as possible so it does not disrupt the programs that we normally have on an annual basis.
And with Jamaica in a joint bid with the USA, Mexico and Costa Rica to co-host the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup, Minister Grange gave this assurance.
It will be ready for the FIFA World Cup, Women's World Cup competition.
She says more details surrounding work to be done will be announced soon.
We are far advanced now with architectural drawings, and very soon when I speak in Parliament during my sectoral presentation, I will unveil the various drawings that have been done for the facility. Of course, we are also going to be improving on the Stadium East facility, and we will have additional parking through tiered parking, which we are going to build out the structures for that purpose.